Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Donut Lord from Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get started. To draw this cute cop, let's first start by drawing his sunglasses. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a small curve right in the center, and I'm going to thicken it up. And then I'm going to come up to create his sunglasses, and then I'm just going to curve across and then come down. So I'm just going to aim for like an ovalish shape. Now I'll just slant this a little bit and then round it off and connect. There. Just a simple shape right here, and then we're just going to draw the same thing on the other side. So about right here, I'm going to round it off, slant down just like the other side, and then connect. There. Okay, so then now I have that shape in, I'm going to, let's see here, we're going to come to the sides right about here. I'm just going to draw a little band on both sides. And let's, I'm going to come right here and just add a highlight. And same thing over here. And then I'll shade everything in, just nice and dark. So it's just a little bit simpler and easier to draw. And just shade this in so you can see it a little bit better. If you want to make it extra fancy, you could definitely put in some rims on the glasses and then add like some gray highlights rather than just this white highlight here. But this way it still reads as sunglasses and just a little bit easier. Okay, so now I have my sunglasses in, nice and cool. I'm going to come in between here and just about in this area, I'll just go ahead and draw this soft, widened out V, just for indication of a nose. I'll just kind of cap it off a little bit. And then underneath this nose, about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve that kind of slightly goes upwards and then cap it off. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his face. So I'm going to come right next to the glasses and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this slight angle line. And same thing here. So it's just kind of like a bottom of a U, but a little bit more angular. So let's say about right here, I'll just give myself a point, is where I'm going to aim to go. So I'll kind of angle a little bit more to make the face a little bit stronger. As I come down here, I'll flatten it out a little bit. So let's go up, go across, same thing, and then go out just like this side, and then connect. There. So I just want a little bit more of a jawline to make it a bit stronger. Then from there, I'm just going to go above the eye, right here, right over the eye, and just draw this slight curve, just to give it some definition. Then from there, let's come back to where this little line is. We're just going to pop in a curve for the ear. Right there, and then draw two curves for some detail. And same thing here. Two curves for some detail. And then now to finish off his hair, we're going to bring this up. So we're just imagining an oval. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and wobble my way across for his hairline, and then right here just connect, and same thing here. There's no real definition, just kind of soft at the top, round it off and connect. Then let's go back right here where his ears are, and we're just going to wobble once again. Just going to slightly go outwards, and let's just go up. Just going to create this nice top right here, slight wobble towards the center, and then come right back down. And maybe here you can just add a little strand that comes out to change it up a little bit and connect. And I'll just come right here, maybe just draw some curves, just make it look like his hair is slightly curly and give it some texture. There, so hopefully that works. Okay, so then from there, now that we're done with his face, let's go ahead and draw his police officer outfit. So right here, I'm just going to give him a neck. Nice strong neck, so a little bit wider. And I'll bring it down. Right there. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and connect towards the center. So it's just a curve around whatever space I have left. I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off. And then in this space right here, just draw a line across for his shirt inside. And then I need to draw his collar. So come right back out here. I'm going to curve, angle down, we're going to angle down on both sides. And then this point you made, we're going to go up, come down, and connect. Up, down, and connect for his collar. Then let's bring this out for his shoulders, nice and wide, and then down. Nice and wide, and then down on both sides. And then let's see here. Then from there, let's bring this. Oh, let's find his armpit area. So just tentatively, I'll just say about right here and here. From there, I'm going to come straight down on both sides. So this is his chest area that we're working with. And then let's bring this angle down straight for his shirt. And let's keep bringing this down. So take a look. So say about right here, I'm just going to tuck it in. Tuck it in a little bit, and then I'll connect with a slight wobble for his shirt. And then let's come down. We're going to, let's see, you draw his belt. So I'm going to come in a little bit and then just connect with a curve for his belt. And I'll draw the details in later. Let's come to the center. So say about right here, I'll come down, draw a slight angle line for where his legs are going to start, and I'm going to draw 2 angle lines that come out. Then his hips are going to be right here. We're just going to draw his legs. So now you know what you're working with, and then let's just finish his legs first. So I'm going to bring this down for a pant leg. Just say about right there. And this is going to basically come straight down to about right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect. So same thing here. So the pants are very simple. Just nothing fancy. We're just going to draw a pair of pants. Regular pair of pants, and then just connect. And then for his shoes, I'm just going to flare it out. Come straight a little bit. And then just go ahead and connect. Straight, then come out, curve, and connect for his shoes. Very simple pair. Then now to make him look like a police officer, let's bring this down. A lot of little details we need to put in here. So I'm going to connect this to about right here, because right now it just looks like any guy, right? And so let's see, let's draw some sleeves in. We're going to bring this down nice and low. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect. And let's work on this hand first. So we want his hands to come to about this area. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come down. And about here, I'm going to draw in a thumb. And let's go ahead and thicken this up. So just imagine his shoulders coming down, his arm. So a little bit thinner as we come to his wrist. Just round this part off for his fingers, and then just angle in. So on this side, we want his hands holding a donut, right? That's very important because he is the donut lord. So let's see here. We just want his sleeves to end about the same area on the other side. So let's say here, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to slightly cross this a little bit and connect. So it comes up a little bit because we have to bend his elbow. So we're going to come right about here. And then in this area, I'm going to go up. And we're going to put in an elbow right here. Come up. just a little bit thinner here, and then we're going to draw the hands. So for the hands, we're going to go out, and this part right here is going to go out a little bit more, and then we're going to slightly bend the fingers. So bend in, and then I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then connect it. So just kind of curved in. Now let's draw some lines right here, so indication of the fingers. And then we have to draw the big donut that's here he's holding. So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna draw this huge donut. So big circle, and then about right here, just draw 2 curves. Took a big bite already, and then in the center I'm going to draw a circle to make it look like a donut, and come in here with another circle to thicken it up. I'll thicken it up a little bit right there. Before I forget, I'm going to come in this area and I'll just draw a little watch right here. So a circle, and then a band that goes across. There. Okay, so then first all the details for his outfit. We're going to come right here, draw a little stripe, and then right here is this part that pops out. Let's see. And for pockets, so let's say about right here, I'm going to draw 2 big pockets. So come straight down. We're going to angle a little bit right here on the end, and then connect. So same thing here. Go across, down, and connect. So if you don't want to draw a police officer, just like maybe this would be perfect for Father's Day, then you can just put this drawing, this man in whatever outfit you want, holding a donut, right? Because dads love donuts. So 2 straight lines down for some detail. And then a little nameplate right here at the top. So just draw a rectangle. And of course, you're going to have a badge right here. So draw a circle. And surround it. It's so small, but hopefully you can get the idea. And I'm going to draw a line right here lightly. It comes straight at the bottom. And it actually goes up as well. So right here, I'm going to continue this line. And more detail here on the sides. So finally it's starting to look like a police officer, and then her belt right in the center, buckle. Strap perhaps, and then pocket. And then the center line. Angle right there. And then this little holder right here on the sides. Just go ahead and shade that in so you can see it a little bit better. And we're leaving the shoes plain, so right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my drawing of the Donut Lord here turned out from Sonic the Hedgehog, and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. If I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.